Hello, my name is Sarah BIB2018 and this video presents a building defect inspection conducted at my house located in Rawang, Selangor. The objective of this study is to identify building defects, analyze their causes and mechanism, and evaluate their impact on the building. The inspection was carried out using visual observation, supported by a moisture meter to detect internal moisture and a measuring tape to obtain accurate dimension of the defect. So the first defect identified is dampness on the wall, which is adjacent to the toilet area. Visible signs include peeling paint, blistering, and damage to the plaster surface can be observed. I use a protimeter to check the moisture content of the wall, and the reading is approximately 30 to 40%, which indicates a high moisture content within the wall. This defect is most likely caused by failure of the waterproofing system in the toilet area, and this may be due to a damage or missing waterproofing membrane, allowing water to penetrate through the wall. For the mechanism flow, the defect begins when water penetrates through cracks or porous materials due to failed waterproofing. Then, moisture will then travel through the wall by capillary action, increasing internal moisture content. This will lead to paint failure, causing peeling and blistering followed by deterioration of the plaster layer. So, for the impact assessment for defect 1, this defect affects the durability and performance of the wall. Continuous moisture will weaken the plaster and promote mold growth, which can affect indoor air quality and health. It can also reduce the aesthetic appearance of the space. So, what can we do as the remedial action? To repair this defect, the source of water leakage must be identified and fixed. This includes repairing plumbing issues and reinstating proper waterproofing in the toilet area. The wall should then be treated with antifungal solution and repainted in moisture-resistant paint. And that's all for the first defect. So moving on to the next defect. The second defect observed is skirting tile debonding at the bottom of the wall. The tiles are loose and partially detached, with visible gaps exposing the adhesive layer. And I use a measuring tape to measure the size of the defect, and it is approximately 900 mm by 100 mm height. So the cause of this defect is mainly caused by poor bonding between the tile and wall surface. Possible reasons include inadequate surface preparation, uneven adhesive application, or low quality adhesive. Next, how it happens and the mechanism behind it is the issue starts with weak adhesive bonding during the installation. Then, the voids may exist behind the tiles due to uneven application because of poor workmanship, and over time, stresses such as vibration and temperature changes will weaken the bond, causing the tiles to loosen and eventually detach. So, what is its impact? So, for the impact, this defect will mainly affect safety of the occupants and the durability of the wall. The loose tiles may fall and cause injury, while exposed wall surfaces are more prone to damage, and it greatly reduces the overall interior quality of the room. Next, what can we do for the remedial action? To fix this problem, all of the loose or broken skirting tiles need to be taken off. Dust, dirt, and old glue must also be removed from the wall surface by properly cleaning it. A suitable high-quality tiles adhesive should then be applied evenly using the correct method to ensure full coverage. When putting in new tiles, enough pressure should be used to make sure they stick together properly. Proper curing time must also be allowed before use. And that is all for the defects. Moving on to conclusion. In conclusion, the building defects identified in this inspection include dampness and skirting tile debonding. The use of proper tools such as moisture meter and measuring tape help greatly in ensure accurate assessment. Early detection and proper remedial action are important to prevent further damage and maintain building durability. Thank you for watching. Bye.